So I'm with Renault Talisman and suddenly my USB charger port doesn't work. You know, test out, this should start to blink blue, nothing happens. And as well I test other side and the back side working, and I check the fuse, it's under there, 10 amps, it looked quite okay. And let's try to reset the system. Maybe let's start the core, and then I will probably just press this button for quite some time. Let's see if it'll fix or not. No, it's not working at all. And let's turn off the car, and let's start it again. And the charger actually started to working, and now just turn it back on, probably just by pressing there, I think. Anyway, as you see, my charger started to working. I can show, you see, ching, the light turned on. So probably not broken this, and you see it just as well turned back on. So the first thing, just try to press this button here for about 10-15 seconds till the screen goes off. Do it while your car is running, and then just turn off the car, and then turn back it on, and then turn this back on, and probably everything will be alright.